Welcome students in my biology classes. Today we will take the next topic, which is development of endosperm. In last class we have to discuss about the types of endosperm. That means the primary endosperm which develop into the endosperm nucleus or endosperm. So in last class I explained that the nuclear type of endosperm. In the nuclear type of endosperm, where the nucleus, so many nucleuses form inside the development of endosperm. An example of nuclear type of endosperm is coconut water. Very good example of nuclear type of endosperm, which is coconut. So very good example of nuclear type of endosperm is a coconut water. Now the second, which is cellular endosperm. Now in cellular endosperm, where the word clearly explain that the cell is also formed with division. So in this structure we can easily visualize that the nucleus, here the nucleus is formed by the two type of division. First is the transversal, second is a horizontal type of division, and these nucleus formation immediately follow the cell wall formation. Here the cell wall formation, it is a cell wall. So these nucleus division followed by the cell division and then production of these type of cells. Now these cells further divide and produce so many cells and the formation of cell wall. So it is called cellular type of endosperm. So cellular type of endosperm means the endosperm in which the nuclear division followed by the cell division and cell division and the cell wall also formation takes place. So it is called cellular type of endosperm. Example is Dhatura and Balsan is the example of cellular type of endosperm. Clear? Now we take the next, which is halobial type of endosperm. So next type of endosperm development, which is the halobial type of endosperm development. It is just a mixture of two type of development, which is nuclear and then cellular, in which the one cell which is chalazer and move and then develop into the micropyle end. So one cell is divide and move to the micropyle end and one cell remain in the chalazer end. Now micropyle cell or the micropyle side move cells which develop and then undergo in the free nuclear division. Here the free nuclear division takes place and produce a many nucleus. But in the chalazer cell which produce the nucleus and then wall formation takes place. So here the some site it is the nuclear and remaining side it is the cellular type of endosperm development. So it is cell wall formation and then many nucleus formation at the micropyle end and remaining side which is chalazer end. So it is called halobial type of endosperm development. An example of halobial type of development, which is monocot. Most of monocot possess the halobial type of endosperm. So it is three type of endosperm in angiosperm plant. First is the nuclear, second is cellular, and third is the halobial type of endosperm. Thank you for watching my video. A very important news for CBSE students, that CBSE is going to reduce the 30% syllabus for the biology 12th. Clear? The chapter from NCERT which deleted first chapter, which is reproduction in reproduction in an organism. It is a maybe first chapter. Now second, which is evolution. Third may be ecosystem. Fourth may be environmental issues. And then fifth chapter, improvement in food. Food resources. So these chapter deleted by the CBSE. First is the reproduction organism. Maybe it is the first chapter of first unit. In second unit, which is evolution after the genetics. So it is deleted. Next in last unit, ecosystem and then environmental issue deleted. And improvement in food resources deleted. So it is the chapter which deleted by the CBSE for the 12th. Now for RBSE, they will decide which part will be deleted. Now for RBSE student, we are going to start 12th and then 11th biology in Hindi medium. Clear? So it is information for CBSE student and information for RBSE students. Thank you.